Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your teacher from BMS Kunil. Yesterday we read the first two paragraphs of short story Rustum and Sohrab. It is for class 8th. We read that Rustum and Sohrab, it is a tragic story from Persia. Rustum is a Persian hero and one of the favorites of King Kaikus. Sohrab is a son of Rustum and Tanima. We read that long ago there lived in Persia a great soldier called Rustum. He met with a daughter princess called Tanima. They fell in love with each other and later they married each other. But Rustum had to leave. Rustum was not able to live with his wife for a long time. Because the king of Persia soon sent him because he did not feel safe unless Rustum was not present in their kingdom. So today we will read further. In due course, a son was born to Tanima. Tanima knew that when the boy grew up, Rustum would be eager to follow his footsteps. So, in due course, a son was born to Tanima. When Rustum left Tanima, she was pregnant. With the passage of time, Tanima gave birth to a son, but Tanima knew that when the boy will grow up, when her son will grow up, Rustum would be eager to have him follow his footsteps unless she hid it. That is why she hid it from Rustum that their child was a boy. He would certainly take, because he was afraid that he would certainly take away the child. She would lose then her son as she had lost her husband. So Tanima sent a word to Rustum. Tanima sent a message to Rustum that their child was born, their child was a daughter. Tanima named her son Sohrab. Tanima जिसने एक बच्चे को जन्म दिया जो एक लड़का है, उसने अपने बच्चे का नाम सोहराब रखा. लेकिन रुस्तुम को उसने बोला कि उसने मैसेज भेजी कि उसका जो बच्चा है वो लड़की है. Tanima named her son Sohrab, which means child of many smiles. Sohrab means child of many smiles. Sohrab grew into a brave and handsome boy. He learned to use sword and shield and became skilled in the art of war. As his father was skilled in the art of war, Sohrab also grew as a skilled artist. For miles around there was no one who would compete with him in feats of swordsmanship. दूर तक उसके जैसा कोई swordsmanship नहीं था. One day there came to that country a young warrior. To the country of Sohrab, a young warrior came to the country of Sohrab one day who had fought in distant lands. He challenged Sohrab. उसने सोहराब को चैलेंज दिया. He challenged Sohrab to a single combat. Sohrab readily agreed to fight with him. Sohrab, as he was brave enough, he readily agreed to compete with him. Sohrab readily agreed to fight with him. As they were getting ready for the combat, the young soldier said to Sohrab, जो ही ये battlefield पे चले गए, जो ही ये ready to fight the young soldier said to Sohrab that I don't know, before we fight tell me your parentage. इसने इसको बोला कि before we fight tell me your, अपने माँ बाप के बारे में बोलो, तुम्हारे माँ बाप का नाम क्या है. I don't fight in a single combat with anyone who is low birth. The men who had gathered round looked at Sohrab. None knew exact who Sohrab's father was because Tanima, किसी को पता नहीं था कि सोहराब के बाप का नाम क्या था, क्योंकि तनीमा को रुस्तुम ने वादा लिया था तनीमा से कि उनकी मैरिज को सीक्रेट रखा जाए. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. कल हम इसका तीसरा पार्ट पढ़ेंगे. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.